Hello, my name is Andrea and I am Twisted Creations, and I did a product swap with Brittany and I'm very excited to open her package. Well, we're going to switch views now, so bear with me. Okay, so we're back to this view because I can't do this on my face, so we're going to pull out what she sent me. Yay, I got a mask. I asked for a mystery bag and she sent me one. Alright, that's all that's in here. Let's see what I got. She sent me a Scan Me. I believe that's a discount to her products. Oh, I got a sweet little note. Oh, so sweet. And a thank you note. Oh, I love this sticker. Look. So excited. And now this is going to be speed up. And my voice is going to be, I got candy. Trick or treat. Yay. I got a little resin gummy bear. Look how cute that is. Is it a kitty? No, maybe it's a kitty. Can't tell, but he's cute. And he's pink. I have to hide this from my daughter. She might try to take it from me. Another Crafty Zombie Mob. This is her shop. Hey, what's in here? Oh, look at the confetti. Oh, look at it. What's this say? Foam grip instructions and mask instructions. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's a cat. Look at the cats. I know, I sound very excited. Can't wait to use that. Reston Witch Face. Oh, that's so awesome. I wish I would have opened that sooner for trick or treat tonight, but I didn't. I could have wore that out and it would have been perfect, but I'm going to still wear this to work. So excited. And trolls. Oh, I had one of these trolls when I was little. Look at that. Okay, that's how that goes on. Can't wait to put that on my phone and try it. Oh, pops. Really great quality. She did great. So excited. Thank you, Brittany, so much. I'm going to have to edit this to be shorter or in 2 videos. I'm not sure yet. Until next time, have a great day.